Okay, let's continue the control system block diagram reduction techniques. Okay, so we have given a block diagram modeling which is a model of a control system or a plant or a process, right? Now we are told to reduce the block diagram into a simplified form. Okay, or we can maybe question may be like the reduce the closed loop feedback system into a simple block diagram into one system, right, where we need to represent the input R and a system model and the output maybe C or whatever, right? So this is your thing. Now you have to find what is this simplified block diagram. So this is a closed loop. You can know there is a lot of feedbacks in the question. You have to reduce this into a open loop format given below with actually modified plant, right? So that it is like looking like open system, but it is a plant is modified, right? So how to begin with? Okay, so I'll write the question here. The question is reduce the block diagram. Use the block diagram reduction techniques to find the closed loop transfer function. Find the closed loop transfer function. The given closed loop, we need the closed loop transfer function, right? This is the question, right? Okay, so seeing this, we can see that there is no options to reduce here. I'm just using yellow. There's nothing to do here or here or here because there is a lot of summers and a lot of feedback loops are coming here. So I need a closed loop. I need a complete circular thing so that I can reduce. So here I can see there is a 1. There is 1 on the top right. Yeah, here is 1, right? So what can I do here? But here there is a red thing. You can see the red H1 feedback coming from after G2. So if I am able to move this red line just left of G2, what I'll get a complete G2, G3, G4. I can get a complete loop which I can simplify G2 into G3, and the G4 is also parallel. So this is a plus. The sign is very important. You should remember the sign is very important. Now the arrow also important. Sign is, so here it is plus, here it is also plus. The plus and minus are very important, right? But H2 is a minus here. So if I move this to here, what is the change going to happen? This this is going to multiply, this path is going to multiply by G2. So if I keep it left, what happens? Yes, I need to add a block, G2 block. For example, it will be like this. If I change this block here, right, what I need to do? I need to have a block G2 here. This G2 has to be there. For example, so H1 is already there. So I have H1, then H1, then the G2 has also to be the in that line, so that now the loop becomes like this. Okay, so this is the new loop. I just change the branch to left of G2. Now we can see the G2, G3 are in series. This two are in series, so I need to multiply it, and this is also in parallel. G4 in parallel loop. I had to add it. Okay. So now, so what will be simplified? I can simplify it here only. So I'll simplify it here. This becomes G2 into G3, right? And this becomes G2 into G3 plus G4. So this I can have reduced to, this becomes G2 into G3, G2 into G3 plus G4. Okay, so this has simplified this. Okay, so what will happen now? We can eliminate this adder because it's already combined together. So this is coming like this. Okay, so this is G2, not G3. Fine. Now what will happen? Yeah, this we can combine together, H1 into G2. This we can combine together to H1 into G2, obviously. Okay, H1 into G2. Fine, that is also done. Now we can see still right now we don't have any other option for simplification because this red thing is coming in between the feedback loop. So can I change it to take it something left or right? No, there is no other possibility, because the feedback is the feedback to H2, this path is coming through, the feedback from this path is coming through this path, right? So better not to touch that thing. So right now, what about this summer? Can I move left of G1, so that G1, G2, G3 and all those things are together? Is it possible? So this was G4, this is G4. Okay, so yeah, that may be possible, right? The only thing happening is the G1, the H2 feedback from the H2 is coming to that adder summing point. But right now, if we move to left, I have to I have to reduce the gain G1, extra G1 gain will be coming. So what I'll do, I'll just change it, modify it, G1 and that thing. So what I'll do, I'll exchange this summing block, I'll exchange this is summing block, and this now becomes the G1, this is G1. Okay, now this H2 has to go to that point, it will have to go to this point, right? So what is the problem? The problem is now it is again coming across the G1 gain, so I need to add one more block here. I need to add 1 by G1 here to reduce that extra gain coming here, right? Now what is the advantage? The advantage is that G1 came near this other gains, and right now if we eliminate the red thing, if we eliminate the red feedback loop, this feedback loop to you can see one thing, if we exchange this to summing loop, we can have a complete feedback loop. If we exchange these two things, can we exchange it or not? Yes, we can exchange. It's like A plus B is A plus B, two summers are there, we can write B plus A also, because there is no in between gains coming across those two things, so we can exchange this thing easily, right? A plus B, commutative law, we can do this. So I can exchange these two summers. Which two summers? These two guys, this two summers I can interchange, these two summers. So what will happen? I'll get a closed loop here, this loop I'll get a complete loop here, this thing I can get a complete loop. So what can I do? I'll just exchange these two things, right? So let me do it. So what will happen if I exchange these two things? So anyway, I don't need, so this is the summer, this is another summer. Okay, so now this guy is going here, now this guy is going here, and this bottom guy is going here. That is the exchange what I am trying to do. Okay, so both are plus and plus minus, so this is also plus minus, this is also plus, this is also minus, this is also plus, this is also minus, right? Arrows should be there. Okay, now we can see one thing. Now the red loop, if we draw nicely, the red loop itself is a complete loop. You can see I am drawing in yellow line, this is a complete loop in itself. We can apply our simplification formula here using the yellow thing. That means if I simplify it, I can write this guy, this 1 by G1 and H2, this thing I can take it out, this loop I can take it out. Which loop? This loop I can take it down, these two loops, right? So what will happen? So just 1 by G1 block, I need to take these two things out, so it will happen like this. 1 by G1 I have to keep somewhere like this, 1 by G, 1 divided by G1, and there is a H2 also, so this is anyway multiplied together, 1 by G1 into H2. Now this block I will eliminate from this portion. Okay, and done, nothing new thing, I just eliminated that from that block for simplification. So this is again coming from here, and it is going to this summing block. Okay, now you can see this yellow thing is complete closed loop. So how can I simplify that thing? Yeah, using the formula forward. So how can I simplify into single block? Okay, so I'm going to simplify it. So what will happen, the net gain, what will I get here, it is g1 in the forward, so numerator g1, definitely numerator में g1 आएंगे, and 1 plus, yeah, because this is minus in the connection loop, here is minus, you can see this is minus, so the 1 plus g1 g2 h1, g1 g2 h1, right? So this is going to be the transfer function, net transfer function after simplifying this this whole thing I'm just going to simplify. So what will happen, okay, so this will become a single block, right? Single block, g1 divided by 1 plus g1 g2, g1 g2, was it h1 or h2, h1, right? g1 g2 h1, right? Now this became a single block. Now you know these two are in series, now you can combine these two together. Sorry, what happened, oh, it's gone, some mistake. Okay, so what I have done, I have simplified it. So right now I got plus minus, I don't know, some, I think I deleted it, some mistake. Okay, so what I got is, I got now two summing block, minus, this is minus, now this I have two, this guy and this guy in series, output there is, and there is two loop, one was 1 by h2 was there, and 1 by g1, or I can combine this two definitely, and this is coming to this minus, and again the output is again coming to minus also. This is my existing thing. Now I can combine these two. So if I combine these two, this was g1 divided by 1 plus g1 g2 h1. Okay, this was I don't remember, this was g2 g3 into g3 plus g4. Okay, now if I combine these together, I can get this thing multiplied by these two things. Yeah, okay, so it can be combined by g1 into g2. Yeah, I can combine this again, I can combine, so it will be g1 g2 g3 plus g4. This was the multiplication, divided by 1 plus g1 g2 h1, right? So this is the status where we were. Now what happens, now again there is a closed loop, we can see the closed loop here, you can see this is a closed loop, so again we can use the closed loop transfer function here. So what will happen, 1 plus the forward gain divided by 1 again, sorry, forward gain divided by 1 plus forward gain into feedback gain. So again this can be simplified, this is the forward gain, no, this is the forward gain, this is the forward gain, this is the feedback gain. So 1 plus, this is this guy, sorry, not 1 plus this guy numerator, 1 plus numerator into denominator. So this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So again I'm simplifying, what will I get, again on simplification I'll get, this is the input r which we already have, this is plus and this is minus, this feedback is coming from the output which we are not touched it, and now we have simplified that thing into forward gain is g1 g2 g3 plus g4, this was our divide by 1 plus g1 g2 h1, this was our numerator, divide by 1 plus the whole same thing, g1 g2 g3 plus g4, this is the numerator again, divide by 1 plus g1 g2 h1, right, into this, into the denominator. What was the denominator, h2 divided by g, this was the denominator. So now the block diagram has been reduced to this, right? Again, now again there is a feedback loop with gain. What is the gain here? Here the gain is 1. We should know, whenever there is nothing here, the gain is 1. So what will happen if we simplify it, what will happen, Okay, before that, using the formula of the feedback, negative feedback, you have to simplify this thing. If we simplify this thing, we can say what will be the denominator, LCM, common LCM. Yes, common LCM will be this thing will be common LCM. H G1 G2, yeah, 1 G1 G2 G4. What is G4? Yeah, this is G4, this is G4. So right now you have to find the LCM, so then you have to simplify it. So what will be after simplification, what you will get? I think there's some cancellation here. G1 cancels, so you can see the LCM will be limited to this 1 plus G1 G2 H1, 1 plus G1 G2 H1. No, that is also will get cancelled, right? So this guy will come here, the numerator also, and denominator both will be getting cancelled. That means this will be cancelled with this thing. So the net what we'll get, we'll get something like this. G1, this is numerator, G2 G3 plus G4, G2 G3 plus G4 divided by here this guy will be here, so that is 1 plus G1 G2 H1 plus G2 G3 plus G4 into H2, right? So this is the forward transfer function. This is the forward transfer. Denominator have cancelled. Okay, fine. Now I can now again you have a feedback. What is the feedback gain? 1 is the feedback gain, plus 1 is the feedback gain. Again, if I use the same feedback formula, what you will get? The same feedback formula. Again, before I need to simplify it, I need to cross multiply G1 here and G1 here, cross multiply. Again H2 should be cross multiplied here too. So again can be simplified, and again I will use the again I have a gain. This is this form right now, and this is plus and minus. So this is R, this is C. Now gain, this have a gain, we know this is gain by 1 by default again. So this is the formula is again, what will be the formula of this thing? The transfer function will be forward gain divided by 1 plus G. This will be the formula in this case. So in our case, what will be the net transfer function? This will be G. What is the forward gain? So we can say C, output by input will be net transfer function will be we have G1 G2 G3 plus G1 G4 divided by 1 plus, this is the numerator overall transfer function initially, H1 cross multiplying with H2 also, we can G2 G3 H2 plus G4 H2 divide by 1 plus the whole thing again, the whole thing here, the whole thing again will come to here, the whole thing again come to here. So again we know that what will be the common which will cancel out. Here we know that this will be cancelling out, this guy, this denominator will be cancelling with this denominator, right? So we can this is cancel, this is cancel, so this will go to here also, right? So this will go to here also. So we have net transfer function. The net transfer function will be the numerator, this will be remain the same, that is C by R equal to numerator is G1 G2 G3 plus g1 g4, that will remain the same, divided by, now you have bigger lengthy because this guy is also coming here also, so will be 1 plus g1 g2 h2 sorry h1, 1 plus g1 h1 plus g2 g3 h2, right? This is what I am remaining the same, this is I am writing the same, plus g2, now g2 h2, yeah, this is all g2 h2 g4, this is g4 h2 also will remain the same. Then we have the denominator which we have just cancelled. So what was that? g1 g2 g3, right? Plus g1 g2 g3, g1 g2 g3 plus g1 g4. Okay, so the answer will be C by R, transfer function reduced will be g1 g2 g3 plus g1 g4 divided by 1 plus g1 g2 h1 plus g2 g3 h2 plus g4 h2 plus g1 g2 g3 plus g1 g4. So this is going to be the answer. So here is another question which you can try. So this is something you need to, similar methods, you have to use similar things, you have to change the things. Here you should know that this is plus and this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is also plus minus. Okay, and arrows are also important, right? So we may try this, and here there's a gain 1 which is direct feedback without any feedback. Okay, you can try this. This is a bit simpler than last problem, but the same steps follow here also.